National Arboretum and the Anacostia River and repeatedly defying orders to stop for nearly 9 years.
Fort Myer Construction Corporation is the target of the court filing from D.C.'s Attorney General Brian Schwalb. Our environment and climate reporter Scott Broom has those details.
The Anacostia River is where the alleged oil, sediment, and chemical contamination has been ending up. And Anacostia's riverkeeper, Trey Sherrod, is stunned by what the Attorney General's complaint against Fort Myer Construction reveals.
They're deliberately dumping this stuff.
The Attorney General's complaint targets Fort Myer's headquarters and equipment yard on 33rd Street Northeast, where the company stores materials and maintains a large fleet of construction vehicles. According to the Attorney General's complaint, Fort Myer has repeatedly flouted D.C. and federal environmental regulations by allowing oil and sediment-contaminated runoff to escape from the property into a storm drain since at least 2015. In total, the district's Department of Energy and Environment found at least 20 unpermitted illegal pollutant facility discharges from 2015 to present, the complaint says. In one incident, inspectors found an illegal bypass pipe that allows contamination into the storm drain system. The company is accused of failing to obtain EPA permits for discharges. And at the site today, filters designed to catch pollution could be seen useless and shredded near a drain at the site. The water flows into a stream and a pond at the National Arboretum, where today we could see the water fouled by litter and an oily sheen. The stream flows to the Anacostia.
I'm really angry, with Fort Myer Construction to be willfully, not just like accidentally, but to find out you were doing wrong almost a decade ago and receive these complaints and be told to fix it, and then to refuse to fix it, and then to keep refusing to fix it, and then to finally add your own bypass to get around the fix is just egregious. And it really does make me truly angry that while the city and everybody that lives in it is investing billions of dollars in making this river better, a private company is profiting a little extra more, right?
Will Stevens is the Assistant Deputy Attorney General in D.C. overseeing environmental investigations. Could you describe the potential penalties, please?
The Water Pollution Control Act includes penalties as much as $50,000 for violations, or for willful violations as much as $250,000 per act. And so the penalties could be quite large.
Fort Myer is one of the region's biggest construction contractors, with recent projects including rebuilding I-66 and a lot of contracts with D.C. government, according to the complaint. A representative from Fort Myer said the company will not comment on the Attorney General's allegations. On the Anacostia River, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.